I decided to study abroad after graduating school because I wanted to speak English well. But process was not so easy. First, I could not say "How are you?" to people because I'm shy. I did not have confidence to speak in English. So I thought it is better to go back to my home. This time I consulted with one of my friends. He told me,
"Why do you give up easily? Did you really invest 100%? If you so, you can give up. But now you should invest more."
Through these words, I looked back myself how much I invested to improve for my English. I could not say I'm investing 100%. So I determined myself to make effort more. Before, I did not talk with my classmates. So I tried to talk with them actively. Also, I joined some English camp to improve. Through this, I got better day by day. As a conclusion, I could improve my English through communicating with people. Still, my English is not so good. I sometimes hesitate to speak, but around people help me a lot. So, I want to keep investing. Thank you for watching today's video.
Please subscribe
and likes,
comments.
mission change!